Welcome to Fixing Expert Dubai. In this video, we will be discussing why you should consider painting your garage floor. Many homeowners don't pay attention to their garage floors, but they can actually benefit from a fresh coat of paint. Whether you use your garage for storage or as a workspace, painting your garage floor can enhance its functionality and appearance. Section 1. Protection and durability. One of the main benefits of painting your garage floor is protection and durability. Garage floors are exposed to various substances, including oil, gasoline, and chemicals. Over time, these substances can cause damage and deterioration to the concrete surface. Painting your garage floor creates a barrier that protects it from these substances, increasing its lifespan and durability. Section 2. Easier to clean. Painted garage floors are much easier to clean than uncoated ones. The smooth surface created by the paint allows for easy sweeping and mopping, making it a breeze to clean up spills and debris. Additionally, the painted surface is more resistant to stains and dirt buildup, helping to keep your garage floor looking clean and tidy. Section 3. Enhanced aesthetics. Painting your garage floor can also enhance its appearance. An uncoated concrete floor can look dull and unappealing, whereas a painted floor can add a pop of color and style to your garage. You can choose from a range of colors and finishes to create a personalized look that complements your home's overall design. Section 4. Improved safety. Painting your garage floor can also improve safety by creating a non-slip surface. Uncoated concrete floors can be slippery, especially when wet. This can create a hazard, particularly if you use your garage as a workspace. Painting your garage floor with a non-slip coating can reduce the risk of slips and falls, making it a safer space for you and your family. That's it for our video on why you should consider painting your garage floor. Whether you're looking to improve protection, durability, aesthetics, or safety, painting your garage floor can provide a range of benefits.